Hello, and welcome to C3 SoftWorks and the BRAVOZONE's Build a Game Live. My name is Tristan, and today we're going to be looking at the MOONSHOT template. Now, on our screen here in front of us is the landing page for the BRAVOZONE. On this page, you see all the templates and some basic things like question editor, where you can put questions into your library. You can access your content, look at your scores, all of those kind of things. There's a lot more options under the drop-down menus up top, but that doesn't necessarily apply to us today. MOONSHOT is the template we are going to be looking at. So what we'll do today is we'll take a look at building a MOONSHOT template and delivering one. So MOONSHOT is one of our templates that can be done either as instructor-led or self-paced. What that means is that you can deliver it live, either virtually or in person, or you can choose to have it delivered via a link that you would send out for your participants. This link can be embedded into an LMS system via SCORM 1.2. This means that MOONSHOT is incredibly versatile in what you can do with it. You can have it be a standard send home type quiz. You can post it on your website with a link where people stopping by your website can take a quiz on whatever material you'd like them to take. And of course, you gather their information when they sign up to take it. Or you could embed it into a newsletter where you have an important newsletter that goes out to your employees weekly or monthly. And the quiz is embedded inside the newsletter. They take the quiz on the information, and then you know that they've read the email. In following newsletters, you might even want to post the top scores, kind of as an encouragement to get someone's name up there in the bright lights. This can be very effective with increasing the reading and retention rate of your newsletters. Without further ado, let's dive into MOONSHOT. At the beginning of MOONSHOT, we have a little introduction video, lasts about 2 minutes, which will go over all of the kind of basic details of MOONSHOT. At the top, it also lets us know that it can be either self-paced or instructor-led. And we have a brief little synopsis here. I'm going to click Start. And here up top, we see the 5 steps. These 5 steps are present in every single template that you can build with the C3 BRAVOZONE. That means if you can build a template with one, you can build a template with any or all. The first thing it asks you to do is put a title. So I'm